In this video, I'm going to show you my technical analysis, predictions, forecasts, and outlook on ALPP, Alpine for Holdings INC stock. We're going to use it. The strategy has been tested hundreds of times in the past, has been shown to work, and use the rules to execute this strategy into this stock. And actually, we're going to use this tool so I can give you at the end of this video or somewhere in this video the exact price action of which way I'm going to expect the price to go. So that sounds good enough. Make sure to watch this 3-minute video till right around the end, and let's get right into it. So ALPP is over with doing a lot of interesting stuff lately, right? So just Friday, it was around close to 7% up. Same beautiful bullish. Uh, Upside moves ever since Wednesday from the past Wednesday, and that's fine, right? And whatever. But we haven't actually. This is my first time making a video on ALPP, so we haven't had experiences with this thing. But the first thing and the first rule of the strategy is the overall trend, and the trend is bullish. There's nothing we can say other than a beautiful bullish trend. We started to shift bullish first time in 2019, and then second time in 2000. Actually, it was in 2020 in December when we had a beautiful month, which actually pushed the price up around 800%, and now we're just kind of coming back to mitigate something, which is obviously fine. There's nothing wrong with this. Therefore, higher time frame. I'm gonna get into the second what's my higher time frame prediction, but on the daily chart, I'm expecting the price to continue and deliver lower as such. Okay, why am I bearish? Just because of the trend that we have been delivering for quite a while. But my high time frame prediction on ALPP is a lot different. This is a little bonus for you. I was about to say I was not going to give you the higher time frame analysis, but higher time frame wise, I don't know if this is going to take a few years or when whatnot, but I'm expecting it to continue and deliver higher like this. It might take even 10 years. That's my high time frame analysis. Now, why am I very certain? I'm not. I'm just following my rules of the strategy that has been shown to work in the past. And that's as simple as this. This is just my perspective and opinion, not financial advice. Now, if you find any value in this video, like the video, it's going to help me out a ton. Again, this is just for, I'm very basically just to the lows, nothing else. So if you find any value, like the video, it's going to help me a ton. If you want to learn the strategy that I just basically used, you can go ahead and check it out for free. First in the description. And the most important thing is the newsletter. Join the newsletter where you're going to get the most valuable tips and insights that are worth thousands of dollars, and you're going to get for free every Sunday in your DM actually tips to get better and profitable to make money trading. So that sounds fair enough. Go ahead and check it out.